one of the mortgage professionals here at VIP Mortgage. We are located in Colleyville, Texas, and we service multiple states. We're in Texas, Colorado, Utah, Florida, and Louisiana and Oklahoma. We handle all types of loans: conventional, FHA, VA, jumbo, and USDA. Today we're going to go over pros and cons of escrow accounts. An escrow account is a portion that pays your taxes and insurance. If you're in the market for a new home or considering an escrow account for your refinance, follow along as we divide the ins and outs of an escrow. Before we go over the pros and cons, let's talk about what an escrow account is. Think of it, it's a savings account for the middleman for you and interest parties for your transaction. Basically, an escrow account holds your insurance and taxes for you don't have to pay them at the end of the year. Your account will be holding money for tax and insurance to prevent foreclosure resulting from lack of tax payments. There are many benefits of the use of an escrow account. For one, escrow accounts will ensure that your homeowner insurance and tax payments are made on time, automatically. By delegating your money into these escrow accounts, you are sure to avoid any late fees that may arise from missing taxes and insurance payment. Also, you may be able to get a better interest rate from your lender just by having an escrow account. Lender will offer lower interest rates to borrowers with escrow accounts because of the protection it puts in place for missing payments. Now that we discussed escrow benefits, let's talk about some of the cons. It's important to know that escrow accounts can be added to your closing costs. Second thing, in an escrow account, they pay the insurance and taxes required if they can be argued. Let's take an example. If your taxes go up by $10,000 next year, they pay the bill, even though your house may not have gone up $10,000. In some suggestions on high valued houses, I suggest you keep your own escrow account. Therefore, when the bill comes to you, you may be able to dispute those counts. Same thing with insurance. If your insurance is $2,000 a year and it goes to $5,000 a year, the escrow account does not care. They pay and charge it for you. However, if you get the bill from your insurance agent, you can always go switch insurance agents. So there are good pros about taking care of your own escrow accounts. However, and the interest that's in an escrow account, you do not get interest on. However, if you keep it in a savings account, you would gather the interest on it. That's another part. If you have a very high-end house and you carry a $2 or $3 million house, and your escrows and insurance are in the $30,000 to $40,000 a year, that can make a difference. You may want to keep that 1% interest, which is $4,000 a year. If for some reason you like to talk more hands-on, take care of your payments yourself, make a better off savings on closing costs, and leave the money for escrow somewhere that earns interest, it's better that you take care of your own escrow. It is important to consider all factors when deciding whether or not what's right or wrong for you, especially with large transactions like purchase in a home. If you found this video helpful, keep an eye out for our upcoming videos. We will discuss the ins and outs of other home purchase processes. Again, this is Chuck Weaver, and I'm at chuckweavermortgage.com.